So I just wanted to put out a quick warning about a big new trend that has arisen in the print-on-demand space. A lot of t-shirts selling in a specific niche, but this topic of this niche is dangerous and it could pose a risk to your account, especially Amazon merch. And the niche I'm talking about is the assassination attempt on Donald Trump, which happened yesterday. If you haven't heard about it, during one of his campaigns, speeches, he was being shot at. He didn't die. However, there was at least one person in the crowd that died from this assassination attempt. I think there is a few more that are critically injured. Yes, nothing happened to Trump, but if we look at the content policy for Amazon merch, and there's people during this event that died from that attack, this is classified as human tragedy, and generally the Trump niche is already a bit of a grey area. Oftentimes designs related to him get removed from Amazon. I don't know what it's like with other marketplaces. I don't really see much of an issue with general Trump shirts on somewhere like Etsy, TeePublic, Redbubble, but with this topic, especially with people dying during that assassination attempt, it is definitely a niche to avoid. I know you're probably going to see a lot of shirts selling well over the next few days related to this. If you want to avoid the risk, don't do it. And yeah, especially in Amazon merch, I can see these shirts being removed very, very quickly for content policy violations. So yeah, I hope this helps some of you avoid rejections and avoid getting your accounts banned. I know these sort of big new trends can be very tempting, especially if you find out about them quite early. You might want to get some shirts up there, but it's not worth it if you're going to lose your account as a result of these. And if you want to learn sort of a fail-safe, step-by-step method of how to make sure that, first of all, you don't get rejections and you don't get banned from marketplaces, then you might want to check out this video right here, which is my full 2024 trademark and copyright guide.